How to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it. After you open your WhatsApp, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Go to settings. Scroll to down, tap on this chat. Scroll to down, tap on this chat backup. Tap on this end-to-end encryption backup. As you can see now, tap on this turn on. So now it will ask you to create a password. As you can see now, it says if you create a password or if you forgot your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you recover your backup. So make sure to create a simple password. Tap on this create password. After you repeat your password, tap on this next again. So tap on this create. So as you can see now, it's backing up my messages. That's it guys on how to turn on end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.